Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account without using your phone number or recovery email. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for support.google.com and then click the first link. It should say Google account help. Once you're on the page, scroll down and tap on Post to Help Community. Then scroll down a little more and click Post a question. Now we're in the Google community. This is where Google employees and product experts help people with their account problems. In the box that appears, first type a short summary of your issue, then in the larger box below, explain the problem that you're facing and what you've tried so far. Next is choose a category, tap on account, access, and recovery. Then under choose the best description, tap on account recovery and then tap next step. Scroll down and tap next step again and now choose your platform. Like if you're using iOS or Android, then tap any of this. Next step. You'll see your display name. You can change it if you want, but make sure the box that says gets emails You can change it if you want. Make sure the box that says get emails when someone responds is checked. That way you'll get a notification when someone replies. And once you're done, tap post and that's it. You'll get an email when a Google product expert responds. It usually takes a few hours and then they'll show you the steps to reset your password and recover your account. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.